Alright, hello dear friends and my dear wonderful learning family. I hope you people are doing great and learning English in a great way. Welcome to this new video once again. My name is Porosh, I'm your host. I make English videos to help others learn and improve their English. So are you an English learner? Are you from anywhere around the world? If your answer is yes, then this video is for you. And even if you are not from this world, maybe you are an alien from another planet, still you can watch my video. Who knows, if you are planning to visit Earth and want to communicate with humans, learning English might be a great idea for you. So enough about aliens, let's come to the point. In today's video, you are going to learn how you can practice English without any speaking partner. Today I will share how I usually practice English alone and what I did when I was a beginner. So this is going to be an important video for you, and I hope if you continue the video till the end, you will get some good results and you will get some positive things. Okay, and one more additional thing, I am recording this video with my friend Sakib's phone. It's really a great phone. The camera quality is really wonderful and I am so happy to record this video with this phone. Okay, so let's get started. So the thing is, one of my previous videos I shared how we could practice English with ChatGPT, and that was a great success. So many people watched that video and I'm truly happy for that. And apart from that, today I will share some real life tips how you can practice English alone, because I have heard so many of you are struggling to practice English alone because you don't have any speaking partner. So might be you are just thinking how you can practice English alone, as we all are trying to learn English, as we all are struggling. So as I have some experience, so I thought I should come in front of the camera and I should speak something about this. As a result, today I have come here in the morning time, and if you look behind me, you will notice the beauty of Sheikh Russell Nagar Park. But today I am not interested to talk about the beauty of this park, because today I want to talk about how we can practice English alone. So without further ado, let's get started. So if you are thinking that you are alone, you don't have any speaking partner, so that's why it's not possible for you to practice English, then it's a wrong concept. It's a misconception. You have to overcome from this. If you don't have any speaking partner, still you can practice English alone. Today I will share my own approach, how usually I practice English alone and what I did when I was a beginner or when I started my journey. So if I share my own experience, the thing that I did when I was a beginner, I watched so many English videos at first. I watched so many motivational videos, and watching these videos really helped me gather information and ideas, which made me feel confident that I could also speak something. And when I realized that my English was improving, then I started making my own videos. I simply opened my camera and started talking, and making videos really helped me a lot to identify my mistake, to listen my own voice. That's really worked for me. Initially I made so many mistakes, but I kept going. Mistakes are normal when you are learning something new. So I took my mistakes in a normal way, and I started to work how I could overcome my mistakes. And that was my approach, how I practiced English when I was a beginner. So why I am saying this to you? I think if you want to practice English alone, simply you can open your mobile camera and start speaking. You don't need to speak for 10 minutes, 15 minutes. If you want, you can just speak for 2 minutes, 3 minutes. It totally up to you. Okay, but if you want, you can also follow the mirror technique. It's also a helpful way, but most of us, we feel awkward when we speak in front of the mirror. So that's why I want to suggest you that if you want, you can practice English like me. Just open your camera and started speaking. So this is going to be an effective way for you. If you struggle to practice English, just open your camera and try to speak something. If you want, you can describe your daily routine. If you want, you can describe an event. Supposingly, yesterday you went to an event. Just try to describe it in your own words. You don't need to use too many advanced words. Okay, just start using simple words in your conversation, or when you are speaking. Just try to use simple sentences, simple phrases, simple words. These are the things that we really need. Okay, so this is the first thing that I did. Okay, and as I said, initially you will make some mistakes, but instead of stopping, smile and continue. If you let your mistakes stop you, then you won't shine, you won't progress, you won't see your progress. So try to take your mistakes normally and try to learn from them. Everyone makes mistakes. Mistakes are normal when you are learning something new. And English is not our mother tongue, so it's okay to make mistakes. It's okay to not continue the conversation. You just need to take all these things normally and not stress about it. If you can do it, I am sure your English will be improved. So try to follow my first way. And the next way that I did, when I was a beginner, when I was realizing that I was improving, the thing that I did, I joined some online speaking groups, especially Search English and Doyal Chandra Official. After joining those groups, I realized that, so I was watching that so many people were uploading their own practicing videos in these groups. And I thought, okay, as I am also learning English, I'm also making videos. So how about if I started uploading videos on those groups? And this is the thing that I did then. I started uploading my videos. Although at first I received both criticisms and support, but I took all the things positively. I thought, okay, maybe some people are criticizing me today, but tomorrow they will appreciate me. And over time, this is the thing that is happening with me. Now you guys are watching my videos. So many people are trying to inspire me. And I'm also trying to share my own ideas with all of you. Okay, so this is the thing that I'm doing. And I have been doing it for more than a year. So it has been an amazing journey, although my English journey has been full of challenges, but I'm trying to enjoy this challenge. So if you want, you can also take a challenge in your own journey. And that challenge will be all about progress, all about evaluate yourself. You are the one who can evaluate your progress. So if you make any mistakes, if you don't be able to speak English properly, just try to evaluate your progress. If your level is 5 today, just think how you can upgrade your level 6 tomorrow. So try to think like me and try to create a strong mentality to learn. Only then you will be able to see your progress, you will be able to shine in life, and you will be able to speak in English. So the first thing that you have to do if you don't have any speaking partner is try to make video like me. Just simply open your camera and start speaking. If you want, you can select any topic, or if you don't have any kind of topic, then try to speak randomly. If you want, you can simply come in this kind of place. Just have a look at the overall view. It's totally stunning, right? Amazing view. So if you want, you can come in this kind of place and just start speaking something. Okay, and try to learn English practically. When you visit this kind of place, when you will describe these places in your own words, it will boost your confidence, and then you will be able to feel that, okay, I am improving, I am being able to describe this kind of place in my own words. Then it will help you a lot to speak randomly, to speak more. And the more you speak, the better you become. So try to speak as much as possible. And the next thing that you can do is try to join some online speaking groups. It will help you to improve yourself. Like when you will see that people are uploading their own practicing videos in these groups, then you will also feel something in yourself that, okay, people are making videos, they are uploading their own videos in these groups, so why not I? If I want, I can also make some videos. If I want, I can also upload my own videos in these groups. So try to follow these two ways. These two ways are going to very, very helpful for you, because it has been working for me, and I am strongly believe that this will work for you also. Okay, so these are the two things that we can do. And also, if we want, we can also make some conversation with our friends. I mean, if you have someone in your family, you can also practice your English every day with them. Or even if you have someone in your groups, I mean, if you have a good friend who can speak English very well, you can simply make some good conversations with them. It will help you a lot. And when we speak with our friends, we don't feel any inertia, we don't feel hesitation, we don't feel any hesitation. So that's why I want to suggest you that if you have any good friends, then try to just speak with them. This is going to be a very helpful way. And also try to join some online speaking groups. So these are the things that we can do. And learning English or learning anything new takes time. So patience is the key here. If you hold your patience here, I hope you will improve. But you have to keep working hard. If you think that you will get overnight success, then it's not going to happen. you have to be a patient. You have to be patient here. Otherwise, nothing will happen. You will give up too soon. So I want to suggest you try to work hard every day. Try to learn something. For example, if you learn 5 or 10 words in the morning, in the afternoon, try to revise them, and at night, try to practice with these words. Try to make some sentences. Okay, and you don't need to focus everything at once. If you want, you can simply start with some words. If you want, you can just simply start with some basic sentences that we really need for a conversation. Or if you want, you can simply learn some questions that we really need to make a wonderful or make a meaningful conversation. So try to follow my ways. The video is getting longer. I don't want to make it more longer. So just have a look, and whenever I visit this kind of place, I feel motivated to speak English. And I really love shooting my videos in this kind of place while nature surrounds me. As you can see, the view is breathtaking. So if you have any good place like this in your own area, then I want to recommend you try to visit these places and try to describe these places in your own words. Okay, just look at me. I'm here and I'm just expressing myself, expressing my own ideas, and that's how I am improving. So try to take some inspiration from me. I am trying to inspire you. I'm trying to show you that if I can do it, why not you? Man, we are born to achieve some great things. Why you are just thinking too much? You don't need anyone to improve yourself. All you need is your determination and all your aspiration. If your aspiration is good, then you will shine in life. I'm pretty sure about it. And my aspiration is I want to reach more people through my videos. I want to help them. I want to show them that if I'm a boy from a middle class family can do these kinds of things, then why not you? You also have so much capacity. You also have so much ability in you. Our potentiality is limitless, and your only limit is you. So if you can understand it, and if you can believe in your capability, if you believe in yourself, everything is possible. So believe in yourself and see everything is possible. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you found this video helpful and beneficial, then don't forget to subscribe, like and comments my video. So if you have any good suggestion for me, or if you want to share your own ideas regarding this topic, you can share your own ideas in the comments below. Okay, I would love to know your opinion regarding this topic. So try to practice English every day. Always be passionate about learning English. Keep going, keep shining. Good things are always waiting for us. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next time.